You think you know what a luxury SUV interior looks like. You've seen the leather, you've seen the screens, you've seen the wood trim and the ambient lighting and the massage seats. You think nothing can surprise you anymore. And then Lexus opens the door of the 2027 LX 800, and everything you thought you knew about luxury just became completely irrelevant. What's inside this thing is not normal. It is not expected, and it will absolutely shock you. I promise. Stay with me. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, where we go deeper than the press release and tell you what actually matters. Today, we are breaking down the 2027 Lexus LX 800. Lexus's most ambitious, most expensive, and most jaw-dropping SUV ever created. And while we'll cover everything, design, performance, technology, price, the interior of this vehicle deserves its own conversation. Because what Lexus has built inside the LX 800 genuinely redefines what a luxury cabin can be. Let's get into it. The Lexus LX has always been the brand's flagship SUV, the vehicle that carries everything Lexus stands for at the absolute highest level. But for years, critics said the same thing. The LX was technically excellent but emotionally flat. Reliable, refined, but not exciting. Not memorable. Lexus heard that, and with the LX 800, they made a decision that changed everything. They brought in designers and engineers from Lexus's Takumi craftsmanship program, master artisans who work by hand, who have spent decades perfecting the art of Japanese luxury, and gave them complete creative freedom over the interior. No cost limits, no compromises, just a single instruction: make something unforgettable. The result is the most labor-intensive production car interior ever built outside of Rolls-Royce. And in certain ways, it surpasses even that. The LX 800 is not just a new model. It is Lexus drawing a line in the sand and saying, this is what we are capable of. Before we get inside, the exterior has to be acknowledged because it sets up everything that follows. The 2027 LX 800 is massive and commanding, larger than the outgoing LX 600 in every dimension. The front carries Lexus's evolved spindle grille, now wider and more three-dimensional than ever, flanked by blade-sharp LED headlights that cut through the face with surgical precision. The body is tall, upright, and deliberately imposing. This is not an SUV trying to look like a sports car. It is an SUV that is absolutely confident about being an SUV. Every surface is taut, every line intentional. A new floating roofline effect is achieved through blacked-out pillars that make the glasshouse appear to hover above the body. At night, with the LED signature lights illuminated, the effect is genuinely dramatic, available in a new exclusive color, Sonic Titanium, a paint finish developed over 3 years that shifts between silver and champagne gold depending on light conditions. It costs extra. It is absolutely worth it. And now, the reason you clicked. Step inside the 2027 Lexus LX 800, and you do not feel like you've entered a car. You feel like you've entered a Japanese tea house that somehow travels at highway speed. Every surface is a material story. The headliner is hand-stretched Nishijin silk, a weaving technique from Kyoto that dates back over 1,200 years, now applied to an automotive ceiling for the first time in history. The pattern is subtle, geometric, and changes texture depending on the angle of light entering the cabin. Door panels feature Kuriko glass accents. Traditional Japanese cut glass, handcrafted, each piece unique. No two LX 800s have identical door panel glass patterns. Every single car is genuinely one of a kind. The dashboard spans the full width of the cabin in a single flowing surface. No breaks, no seams. Covered in hand-stitched semi-aniline leather with a pattern inspired by origami. The stitching alone takes 18 hours per vehicle by a single Takumi craftsperson. Screens are there, but they are deliberately secondary to the physical experience. The 12.3-inch driver display and 14-inch center touchscreen are framed so seamlessly into the dashboard architecture that they feel like they grew there rather than being inserted. When the screens are off, the surfaces look like art installations. The rear cabin is where Lexus went furthest. Executive rear seating reclines to 48 degrees, more than any competitor. Footrests extend electrically. Each rear seat has individual temperature control, 4-point massage, and a personal ambient lighting system that lets each passenger set their own color atmosphere independently. Between the rear seats, A center console refrigerator chilled to exactly 4 degrees Celsius. Above, a panoramic roof panel that transitions from transparent to fully opaque via electrochromic glass at the touch of a button. The fragrance system, yes, fragrance system, offers 5 scents developed in collaboration with the Kyoto Perfume House, distributed through the climate vents. You choose your scent. You choose your atmosphere. You choose your experience. This is not a car interior. This is a sanctuary. Lexus didn't just focus on the inside. The LX 800 performs at a level worthy of its price. Power comes from a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid system producing 490 combined horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Lexus's latest AWD Plus system featuring torque vectoring on all 4 wheels independently. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.4 seconds. For a vehicle weighing nearly 2.8 tons, that is deeply impressive. The air suspension system, 24-way adjustable, reads road surfaces 1,000 times per second and pre-adjusts before irregularities reach the cabin. The result is a ride quality that feels less like driving and more like gliding. Passengers in the rear genuinely cannot feel road imperfections. It is that good. Towing capacity is rated at 4,500 kilograms because Lexus understood that flagship SUV buyers sometimes actually need to tow things. Off-road capability is serious. Multi-terrain select with crawl control, locking rear differential, and 870 millimeters water wading depth. The LX 800 will go places that will embarrass dedicated off-road vehicles. Beyond the interior artistry, the LX 800 carries genuinely advanced technology. Lexus Teammate, their advanced driver assistance suite, now includes hands-free highway driving, automated lane changing, and a 360-degree camera system with 3D overhead view that renders the vehicle and its surroundings in photorealistic detail. Head-up display projects navigation, speed, and hazard information across a wide-format AR overlay on the windscreen, the largest HUD projection area of any production SUV currently available. Voice control is powered by a dedicated AI assistant, not a borrowed third-party system, that learns your preferences, your routes, your climate preferences, and your seat positions over time. Over-the-air updates keep every system current indefinitely. The 2027 Lexus LX 800 starts at $150,000 US, fully specified. With the executive rear package, sonic titanium paint, and Carico glass door panels, you're looking at $195,000. Against a Range Rover SV or Mercedes GLS 600 Maybach, the LX 800 is priced competitively, but the interior experience it delivers belongs in a conversation with Rolls-Royce at roughly half the price. The 2027 Lexus LX 800 is the most complete luxury SUV ever built by a mainstream luxury brand. It performs brilliantly, it looks commanding, and it carries technology that genuinely impresses. But none of that is the headline. The headline is that interior, that silk headliner, that hand-cut Carico glass, that 18-hour stitching, that fragrance system from a 300-year-old Kyoto Perfume House. Lexus built a car that makes you feel something the moment you sit down. And in a world full of impressive machines, feeling something is the rarest achievement of all. That was the full 2027 Lexus LX 800 breakdown. What shocked you most? Was the interior, the performance, or the price? Drop it in the comments, like this video if it delivered, and subscribe for more content like this every single week. Until next time, travel in luxury, arrive in style.